በ2024 ሚድ ኤግዛም ላይ የነበሩት ወርክአውት ፕሮብሌሞችን አሁን ደግሞ ሰራላችኋለሁ። የመጀመሪያው ወርክአውት ፕሮብሌም 5 the power of 2n minus 4 the power of n is multiple of 3 for n greater than or equal to 1. ያ በወርድኔት ሰጠን ጥያቄውን እንዳነበባችሁት በወርድኔት ሰጠን multiple of 3 ሲል we have to able to write in the form of this one. so የተጠየቅነው ይሄ multiple of 3 መሆኑን እንድናሳይ ነው። እንደዚህ አይነት ጥያቄዎች ያው እንደምታውቁት የምንሰራው በማቴማቲካል ኢንዳክሽን principle of induction ነው የምንጠቀመው። ለዚህ principle n greater than or equal to 1 solution ሁልጊዜም ሶስቱ ስቴፖች አሉን። የመጀመሪያው ምናሳካው ምንድነው? let's n be the first index, n be 1. so n 1 ሲሆን 5 the power of 2 minus 4 the power of 1 is equal to 25 minus 4, that is 21. 21 means 3 times 7, 3k form እንጽፈዋለን። therefore it is true. It is true. for n is equal to 1 ይሄ true ነው። ሁለተኛው ስቴፕ ማቴማቲካል ኢንዳክሽን የሚነግረን ነው። ሁለተኛው ስቴፕ assume the given statement is true for n. so assume it is true for n. that means assume 5 the power of 2n minus 4 the power of n is equal to 3k is true for some n. true ነው ብለን assume እናደርግ a multiple of 3 መጻፍ ይችላል። then ሶስተኛው ስቴጅ የሚሆነው ምንድነው? claim that ማሳየት የሚያስፈልገን 5 the power of 2 times n plus 1 minus 4 the power of n plus 1 is a multiple of 3. is a multiple of 3 መሆኑን ነው ማሳየት የሚጠበቅብን። ለዚህ ከዚህ ነው የምንነሳው። 5 the power of 2 distribute አድርጉት 2n plus 2 minus 4 the power of n plus 1 is equal to እዚህ ጋር ምን ይኖረናል? በኤክስፖነንት ህግ መሰረት 5 square times 5 the power of 2n minus እዚህ ጋር ኤክስፖነንት ህግ ስንጠቀም 4 times 4 the power of n። ከዚህ ምንድነው ልናውቅ የምንችለው? 5 the power of n minus 4 the power of n is equal to 3k for some k. so ከዚህ ውስጥ ይሄንን መውሰድ እንችላለን። 5 the power of n መውሰድ እንችላለን። so this can be written as 25 times 5 the power of 2n means 3k plus 4 the power of n. both side 4 the power of n add ስናደርግ ይሄን እናገኛለን። minus 4 times 4 the power of n. distribute አድርጉት። distribute ስናደርገው 3 times 25k commute አድርጉት multiplication this times this plus 25 times 4 the power of n minus 4 times 4 the power of n. 4 the power of n, 4 the power of n is common. so this is equal to 3 times 25k plus 4 the power of n የጋራ ስናወጣ to the right 25 minus 4 times 4 the power of n. ይሄ ስንት ነው? 25 minus 4 21. 21 means 3 times 7. so this can be written as 3 times 25k plus 3 times 7. 3 times 7 no 7 times 4 the power of n. so 3 is common. so 3 የጋራ ስናወጣ we'll have 25k plus 7 times 4 the power of n is this number. so we write this as a multiple of 3. we write this as a multiple of 3. so it is true. we claim we showed our claim. claimaችንን አሳይተናል። ለዚህ ለ1 true ነው፣ ለn assume አድርገን ለn plus 1 true መሆኑን አሳየን። therefore we conclude that the given statement is true. number 2 question number 2 ጥያቄውን አንብቡት። እሺ ጥያቄው እንዳነበባችሁት if he studies medicine ስለዚህ ኮምፖነንቶችን ለማግኘት let's represent he studies medicine. he studies medicine. then he will get a job. so Q he gets a job, a good job. ከዛ ምን ይላል? If he gets a good job, then he will get a wage. Therefore, R, he gets a wage. A wage. Therefore, if he will get a good wage, then he will study medicine. Therefore, the conclusion. This is an argument. So, argument ነው የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ ምንለው identify the component statement and write the argument form. Identify አድርገናል ኮምፖነንቶቹን ሶስት ኮምፖነንቶች አሉን. Then write the argument form. Argument formuን ጻፍ ተብለናል. So, argument formu የመጀመሪያው ምንድነው የሚለን? If he study medicine, then he will get a good job. If he study medicine, then he will get a good job. P implies Q. የመጀመሪያው ፕሪሚሳችን። ሁለተኛው ፕሪሚስ if he gets a good job, Q. If then he will get a wage, R. ሁለተኛው ፕሪሚሳችን። Therefore, if he will get a wage, then he will study medicine. R implies P. Argument formuን ጻፍ። ቀጥሎ የሚመጣው ጥያቄ ምንድነው? Using truth table, investigate the validity of the argument. Using truth table, evaluates validity of the argument. ስንት ሲምፕል ስቴትመንት አለን? P ኮምፖነንት ኤሌመንቶቹ P, Q, R። ለዚህ 8 ይኖረናል። ለዚህ 8ቱን ለማዘጋጀት ሁልጊዜም ቴክኒካሊ የምንከተለው ፎርማት ልክ Now this is the truth table. ይሄን truth table ይዘን አርጊውመንታችን ቫሊድ ነው አይደለም የምንለው መቼ ነው? አርጊውመንት ቫሊድ ነው አይደለም የምንለው ሁሉም ፕሪሚሶች ትሩ የሆኑበት ላይ what's about the conclusion? The conclusion should be true. ለዚህ P implies Q እና Q implies R ትሩ የሆኑበት እንፈልጋለን። ሁለቱን true 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 true. And 2 3 4 ሁሉም ፕሪሚሶች ትሩ የሚሆኑበት possibility. Then what about the conclusion? እዚህ ጋር ችግር የለም። እዚህ ጋር ስንመጣ ፌል ያደርጋል፣ እዚህ ጋር ፌል ያደርጋል። ሁለት ቦታ ፌል ያደርጋል። So number 5 and number 7. By row number 5 and number 7 the condition fails. Conclusionአችን ላይ therefore it is invalid. ሶስተኛው workouts. Find the roots of the complex equation. Read the equation. For this complex equation, find the roots of the equation. What should be z? Find z. Now to solve this equation, first let's simplify, let's manipulate the equation. Z to the power of 3 over 2 is equal to, add both sides this number, minus of this number. So minus 2 square root of 2i. Then our target is to find z. ለዚህ መጀመሪያ raise to 2 both sides. So z cubed is equal to raise to 2 minus 2 square root of 2i the whole square is equal to minus 2 square 4 radical 2 square 2 times 4 8 I square minus 1 minus 8. Z cubed is minus 8. That means Z is equal to cubed root of minus 8. That's the cubed root of minus 8. So for the complex number, what's the nth root? The nth root of minus 8. Now Z means the cubed root of the complex number minus 8. So our complex number is minus 8. Cubed root n is equal to 3. Cubed root. R for the complex number minus 8. That is 8. Real part only. Minus 8. Plus 0i. So minus 8. R is 8. And remember, we have n. So k will be 0, 1, 2. We have 3 roots. Cubed root of the number, the complex number. We have 3 roots. 4, 0, 1, 2. So ck is equal to r is the power of 1 over n is the power of theta plus 2k pi over n. Where, what's theta? Theta is tan inverse of imaginary part over real part. In this complex number, minus 8 plus 0i. The real part, imaginary part, 0 over minus 8. That is tan inverse of 0. So tan inverse of 0, theta, which is tan inverse of 0 for sin theta over cos theta 0 የሚሆነው መቼ ነው? sin theta 0 ሲሆን. So sin theta 0 የሚሆነው መቼ ነው? Remember the complex number. That is pi. So theta, the principal angle. So we have theta, we have k 0, 1, 2, n 3, r is 8. Therefore, we will calculate each. C naught when k is 0. R is the power of 1 over 3. What's R? እየተካን መሄድ እንችላለን simplify ለማድረግ cubed root of 8 times e the power of theta pi plus 2k pi, k is 0. 0 over n is 3. Sorry, here we have I. That's I. So 8 the power of 1 over 3 is the power of pi over 3i. That's C naught. C1. 8 the power of 1 over 3 cubed root of 8 is the power of the tactile need pi plus k is 1 2 pi over 3i. Pi plus 2 pi 3 pi over 3 pi. This will be 8 the power of 1 over 3 is the power of pi I. C2. ሶስተኛው root 8 the power of 1 over 3 is the power of pi plus k ሁለት ሲሆን 4 pi over 3i, which is equal to 8 the power of 1 over 3 cubed root of 8 is the power of 5 over 3 pi I. So we have these 3 roots for the number that minus 8, that is z. So the root of the complex equation are c0, c1, c2. እሺ እነዚህን አገኘን c0, c1, c2 ግን ሲምፕሊፋይ አድርገን መልሳችንን ማስቀመጥ ይጠበቅብናል። ሁልጊዜም don't forget you have to write in the form of a plus bi form. Cubed root of 8, that is 2, is the power of pi over 3i cos pi over 3 plus sin pi over 3 in the I. Cos pi over 3, sin pi over 3. Cos 60, 1 over 2, sin 60, root 3 over 2. So this becomes, in value simplifies Taragut. So cos 60, 1 over 2, 2 times 1 over 2, 1 plus sin pi over 3, root 3 over 2, times 2, root 3 in the I. So 1 plus root 3 in the I, that's C naught. C1 lesson 8, 2 times cos, look, pi, cos pi plus I times sin pi. Cos pi minus 1, sin pi 0. So this becomes minus 2. In the last, cos 5 over 3 pi plus I sine 5 over 3 pi. No, 5 over 3 pi. The angle is pi 180 by 360. 5 times 60, 300 degree. 300 degree. That's minus 60 degree. ስለዚህ የ60 ዲግሪ ምን አገኘን? 1 and root 3. So this one will be negative. የዚህ ሪፍሌክሽን ነው እዚህ ጋር የሚሆነው። የy ዋጋ ኔጌቲቭ ይሆናል፣ x ፖዚቲቭ ነው። So it will be 1 minus root 3. ያለፈው ዓመት ሚድ ኤግዛም ይህን ይመስል ነበር። ስለዚህ ከዚህ ጥያቄና አሰራር ተነስታችሁ ራሳችሁን ለፈተናው ማዘጋጀት ትችላላችሁ። ለነበረን ቆይታ አመሰግናለሁ። Don't forget to subscribe my channel. የበለጠ እንድሰራላችሁ ለፋይናል በደንብ ተዘጋጅቼ በሰፊው ሰርቼ ቪዲዮዎችን እመለሳለሁ። ያኔ በቀላሉ አክሰስ እንድታደርጉ ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ፣ የደወል ምልክቷንም ተጫኗትና ኖቲፊኬሽኑን አብሩ። የምጭናቸው ቪዲዮዎች በቀላሉ ይደርሳችኋል። ለነበረን ቆይታ አመሰግናለሁ። ሰላም ሁኑ።